If you don't love the idea of blasting your siding with high-pressure water, but still want a sparkling clean home, soft washing is your best friend. Let's break down why. Here in Myrtle Beach, salt air, humidity, and heat mean constant battles with mold and mildew. But blasting away with high-pressure washers can damage your siding, roofing, and even push water where it shouldn't go. That's where soft washing comes in. This gentle, low-pressure method uses safe, biodegradable cleaners to break down grime at its root so your home stays cleaner, longer. It's perfect for delicate surfaces, no gouging, cracking, or paint stripping. Plus, soft washing from Advanced Power Wash is better for your plants, pets, and wallet. You clean less often, avoid pricey repairs, and protect your biggest investment, your home. Ready for curb appeal that lasts? Reach out to Advanced Power Wash at 843-385-8114 for a free quote. Experience the gentle touch that Myrtle Beach trusts.